I want to say because I'm out here. Sasa sisi ndio tunapiga kelele hapa nje. We have nothing to lose when we are telling the governor that he should stick to the mandate prescription of his job. Wakati alikuwa hapa stadium aliongea vile aliongea. Wakati alifungua bunge aliongea na hao viongozi wetu. Aliambia the following week is going to see the president. All of a sudden he has changed the tune. Then he cannot be trusted. And I'm appealing to our community. We are giving the governor ultimatum ya miezi 6 kutoka sasa. Kama hawezi fanya kitu, let him go. Then we will have a caretaker here in Kisii County, then to move to the next level.
Onchumuriria ni konde ase omubugani oyomo oyo kutoka ase town ya Sonko ase abarayi ba Kenya Kwanza bakagirwa gochigokwana ase omugasorero anene mono enkwana bachigokwanira ne sabari muskerera murodinga oyochete ase county ya Kisii mutukamagiga na vintikiro chokwana litikoligora ni kumugavana bwa county ya Kisii muske Paul Arati alinga asigeta sene kemo yense ya Kenya asate bete mangana berata to kurende mano bachiko chokwana chikolia lero no kwanere igoro mugavana Paul Arati amune sabari gwira muruto gocha ase county ya Kisii ndete nkorene orobocho robene kuruiga asumu bugano iga oyo kutoka imi county ya Kisii eretunyore ali kora sensemi nchini konkuru kwenye Dennis waseko kuri konjo chatwe roboto iga sentre ya bene
ba turabara ya kuruchi sub county chaito bali okora UDA ama Kenya Kwanza e campaign njingo kwa no MC Masimba ochorire andole the Kenya Kwanza whip as a Kisii County Assembly mwarora chuziga abandu mbache stadium kwa kemea president yaito na gwaka mario yao tutete ndu no mugusii bali mbaringe bagusii oyo lengo mugusii we kagari no mugavana Kisii County abantu bande bonzi mwarocha abantu baminto Kenya ngima mo bawena nabantu babeta imported kuru Migori kuru Homa Bay bagaje kokwana kwa niapa yo mugusii. So I want to say na ndu no mugusii igo tozigete president Ruto kianda ye 10 na ande tumuganyete buna gocha buna chiri county chinde na hindu adorendera mandegere ilinda bagusii bakokera bagusii ningo bale serikali ime bakora uno mu CS Ezekiel Macho egento kende tugukwana omugusii bwensi piboniga igale united tukura uno mu CS yoito Macho na abande bali omu president ya ire birogo uno mu Solicitor General oyo Minto Shadrack Mose oyo Minto Kenijeni Migosi na abantu abande bachori kurubuziga Jafet Nyakundi oyo Minto kumo mheshimiwa Soro oyore the majority whip as assembly igo uzigere serikali ikira lengine mingi mumanyana na mangana y'abantu batabwati gazi bakora because like governor aganiri abange county mwamuro kigagoteba media buna tarare maronye ne pare kilometer ibona muko manyo muchando tubwate bune county ne governor tarare me pare rone ne gazi ya no kuri majibara ayigore kinyagitari aremera abantu amache tari agende kubiko mukutana ali stadium bwabage. So we are saying as Kisii we want to reaffirm our loyalty to the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto. Kwa ituanje temono nando gojenjenze yaito Kenya etuare obuja kuneta gatwali miaka ya bere maya. So that is what I wanted to say and I thank you. Endo kende tigomo governor Kisii County asi como CS o internal security Professor Kindiki. Omo CS oito o security Professor Kindiki is a competent man. Buna matiangiaba buna asali gose buna akora tikatutika na mangana ayo gose bono gaki. Do mana kono korenta amangana yo mo CS Kindiki komoire ebiara olibone ro tolendete ga Kenya ga. Asikwe buna matiangia azigire kararenga araria ekero. Omuguzi na atwale kero gekyo. Ndwaroje bantu bande kuruziko bakono koirekia na bare komoirekia ara ko matiangi no muburu orenge. Na arenge kuminga abantu bari barenge sikwe serikali. Mwaro jo mukutano orenge round about y'abantu bari usabira county ya Kisii ekera bagera baje kunye invade kurumate ga baje te korente buruburu garia mangana yo kurame president stadium. Abantu bagatumwi bago no governor bagaje kuruta abantu amagena. And I can say that without fearing. Tunakemea hiyo kabisa kama viongozi wa hii region. Mungu awabariki.
ende nominated MCA ase county yetu ya Kisii ne kiama kia UDA. Ona turigega etore leaders wa Kenya Kwanza. Baritu arigeretio musike William Samoei Ruto chikura no musike machogune tu awate muno mugavana. Lakini bono yaikirenga ki chikura yaelire. One gento tutayete ne gento gekorukwa magendero. We accept a president tobugate ne yemo ekoloku William Samoei Ruto. Omo governor tobugate Kisii county. No nyanje na mwakirite kura kurukusimba Arati. Wono ntwege ntotogoteba. Egente kimwaro re stadium buna abagusii baachire gukana a president. I can assure you buna mugusii tare ngororo. Geko aratorigere mu senate ito Kisii county tare ngororo. Omo women rep na bwato mukutano mungao kama ulinga sabantu bali bagukana. Na kia tare ngo. Ante tetorigereria abajumbe baito ba Kisii kurwe sub county chons kianda. Abajumbe kibale ngororo. So who was this representative kurumo gusi ochete kana na William Samoei Ruto is not the president. Na ande ntotageti boni buruburu ebiga bigenderete gaiga. Tiga omosike Raila amanyena singa kitia siasa nchierete. Wone iga bantu na magendero batagete. Siasa teyo. Siasa oyo igwete na ringuru bitenge bya siasa tuganyane 2027 twensinto taite tuminyoke siasa. But right now egentongo teba tigango to focus on magendero governor to Simba Arati ngwari ngaseti ibigoro. I was very ashamed kuligeri na Gusii county ntura akora kende yons in terms of magendero. While the governor is around mogali na rocha go kuwa na 1 2 3 I was really ashamed buno Gusii. Again tonda atebe bunanche bwali intwe to cholire to chiko represent abantu baito ba Gusii tuasabire gakira nanka tigana siasa totigane ngwagete kurangota agete totige koparede abante stadium totige criticizing other people. Now let's work for the supporters wa Kenya Kwanza. We do not have a monopoly of violence, a monopoly of lies. We cannot say na Azimio Barabu can hold their rally peacefully on that abachageti mbake kahera. Lakini aba murabaito a group yeto ya nunda they were holding peaceful prayers as a roundabout yeto ya capital. But they were attacked by Azimio supporters. Ngakibono tutaite kota na Gusii iga ete na kama tori gotara tune ya moto kogendera. No. We are saying no to that na intuna barai ntori gwancherana. Almost kekindiki tigakole gasi yae. He is a performer. We have known him from the past. He is a very good performer. Tigatomo ingaki yae buna matiangi yae tuega ingaki yae. Mangana ya mwale kogekere na matiangi nko bugatu wale gaki no nyanche bugari kama mbugata magoso mbugate eritariri goso lyo Gusii nande etari segi yo Gusii. This is an individual fight. Kama umuntu obugata magoso there is no way we are going to say na muntu otabugatu gura ya magoso abugate. Kama obugate tiga magoso aligeri ku continue their arms that are doing that akwe judge. Kama tabugati magoso we stand with Gusii. Kama tabugati na otoko muhegerera bado. Asante sana.
My name is Samuel Apoko, former MCA Kyogoro Ward. And on behalf of this team, I'm also part of Kenya Kwanza. Tumekuja hapa na viongozi ambao wako ofisini wawili. Nao viongozi wako nyuma yangu wote ni wale walisimama kura na walitafutia rais kura za urais. I only want to say one thing. We have seen the soliciting lists. Our brothers are there. But I want to acknowledge first that the president is a better law pressed to us as a community. Kwa sababu ametupea waziri, ametupea chairman wa Kenchen, ametupea Solicitor General, ametupea director, Cheotamo chairman and the Kenchen director. But we still need more. As my sister said, we have seen 5 people from our community, especially from the Kisii County, 5 people being shortlisted. We request tunaomba rais, kwa sababu we missed the slots of the PSS. We request at least 2, minimum at 2. That is our request. We don't demand, we don't command, but we only request. But also I go further and say there are some people who have sacrificed themselves to be in the team. 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, people like Mangi who has been there for long. I only request that when he's doing consideration, he should consider people like Mangi, Kina Mama Miladi, and the rest of the other team. That's our appeal. And finally, I want to say, because I'm out here, sasa sisi ndio tunapiga kelele hapa nje. We have nothing to lose when we are telling the governor that he should stick to the mandate prescription of his job. Wakati alikuwa hapa stadium, aliongea vile aliongea. Wakati alifungua bunge aliongea na hao viongozi wetu, aliambia the following week is going to see the president. All of a sudden he has changed the tune. Then he cannot be trusted. And I'm appealing to our community. We are giving the governor ultimatum ya miezi 6 kutoka sasa. Kama hawezi fanya kitu, let him go. Then we will have a caretaker here in Kisii County, then to move to the next level. And finally, we wish the very best that we are welcoming the president akuche. Sisi kama viongozi na sisi kama community, we are extraordinary happy for his coming. Na tunangojea vitu mingi, and we know rais anatupenda na sisi tunapenda. We expect more from him. Kwa hivyo maneno mengine ati Raila alikuja hapa, Raila is a dying horse. Sasa yeye mtu anawekwa pamba, sasa hii hatuwezi kulika na yeye. And finally, you allow me to quote this. We give a warning. We give a warning to Governor Wasia. Akikucha ama akienda kwa mkutano mwingine, aheshimu viongozi wengine. Hawezi kuja hapa atusi viongozi ambao wamekaa kwa uongozini kwa miaka 10, atanakuja kumtusi ati mama ambaye alimzaa alisaa sijui kitu gani. Na yeye hakuzaliwa. Kama anaona huyu hakuzaliwa na yeye hakuzaliwa, otherwise none, kwa sababu yeye hajakaa na mwanamke kwa miaka 20, walikosana. Sasa he doesn't even understand. Watu wasia walifanya makosa kumchagua. That is a warning we are giving to him. Thank you.
Biemono abana baraiva UDA kurwa soro gongoro iturwa Kisii unabagambi bande bakwanira iga na inche gonko achinguru na gotebanga oburaini go bogosikwa onara gotebio oburai bwe county government ya Kisii onye mugutaka musikwe na ne moye gwe chinguru egere munyara go deliver as a mandate elimo ayetu nabana inche ba Kisii uika musike na plan gosika abarai bande bachorire bune president yese yetu ya Kenya kiagera buna twategerete marogoba omugavana ikaranste gotebanga tara akora none gente ke makuru achoro tu metinyi ya R6 no boso ko bonene sana asegesa kugiaito egekoro kinga omonto ochoretwe tabwatie birengererio asogokora bana inchi babo Sonko na gusie gimemeremo ebirengereri biae no kubangerera ire mekuta na iga libaga gokora emeremo igotware goteba buna bagusii abarai ba UDA igotogotebanga onye to gosike president ne tubuna abantu ba Kenya Kwanza president tu achorete Daktari William Samoei Ruto na intu titoko recognize titoko gosika kiagera onye gokoretera William Ruto ebura buru na intu gusiga na bekororeka na gustari babarai baminto igogo ikoburai bosikwe finally gonare gotebanga amwaziri Kindiki buna barai bakwanira iga buna omwaziri Matiang'i asigetwe omwaziri otende to bodi kanyengima no mugakodi nere Kindiki ore professor nera asikwe aiwa maskani ai okuna kwogosaba gwaito buno mugusimbia muna soko tetegera
murire magega na kwigura rwachiro bene kurwa asensemeyiga ya Sonko ase abarai ba Kenya Kwanza baeresire na kwerera koningana n'inkwano babati tukoria rero hingo ripotera TV ya Kisii Hot TV kurwa county ya Kisii letera n'ingoro ko Dennis kokori konto.